Hello everyone and welcome to the Author Solutions family.
We have had many success stories, and some of our guys here today are going to discuss what they do and how they're successful and why it should be exciting for you guys to join our company.
To be honest, I feel so excited, and I can only say two words. It's life-changing, starting from today. And I'm looking forward for more exciting events, exciting leaders to work with.
Author Solutions is more than just a company. It's also like a family, where you will have tenured reps to act as your older siblings, teach you things that you might not have learned during training or refresh you on things that you might have missed. Now, we have been doing this and hoping that when the time comes when you become tenured reps yourself, you will continue the culture that we have made, making sure that you will also continue making Author Solutions our second home, your second home.